Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nothing speaks out love like a beautiful handmade gift. Today's video is all about DIY gift ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 cute, thoughtful and easy to make DIY gift ideas which are perfect for occasions like Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, etc. If you try any of these ideas, don't forget to send me a picture on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. The first idea is called Hug in a Mug. Take any good mug. I have taken a shiny black one here. Now I'm going to add some chocolates to it. Next thing I'm keeping in this mug is this cute little teddy. I'm also going to keep some essential oils in this mug. Basically, the idea is to fill this mug with all the goodies the person you are gifting will love to have. I'm also keeping some more chocolate because the person I'm gifting loves chocolates. You can also add hot cocoa, coffee sachets, etc. Now let's add a small label to our gift. Cut out a heart shape in white paper and write Hug in a Mug on it. Draw some red hearts to make it look more cute. Stick this label to the mug using double-sided tape or glue. I am sticking only the center portion of the heart to make it look like it's popping out. You can wrap this gift in sarin wrap so that everything in the mug will stay intact and will not fall out. The next idea is a paper wallet. For that, take a paper in square shape of side 15 cm. Place a card in the middle and fold like this. Now apply some glue on the sides and stick like this. I am using paper glue here, but you can use any glue you want. Fold this in half to form two shelves of a pocket. Use double-sided tape to stick them in the middle like this. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can also use normal glue for this. Repeat the steps in another color and stick the two pockets together like this. I made pockets in 3 more colors, and when stuck together, they look very pretty and colorful. Cut a piece of white cardstock in the given measurements to make the outer cover of the wallet. Now watch carefully on how to fold this. First, fold the cardstock at the same length as the pocket. Leave a small gap. Again fold at the same length and leave a small gap. This way we will get the outer cover for the wallet. Cut both sides of the frontal flap like this to make it look more like the flap of a wallet. Now let's add some polka dots to the flap using pink acrylic color to make it look more pretty. I'm using a dotting tool here, but you can use a toothpick and create the same size dots. Cut out a small heart shape in gold glitter paper and stick some double-sided tape on its back. Now take some paper strip and stick this heart on the middle of the strip. The strip we just made can be used as a belt to hold the flap of the wallet. So adjust the position of the belt and stick it to the wallet using double-sided tape. I'm using double-sided tape to stick the set of pockets we made to the cardstock. Once this is done, our wallet is ready. Inside these pockets, you can keep small notes with cute messages. I think this gift is perfect for occasions like Valentine's Day. If you are gifting somebody who is a techie, this idea is the perfect choice for you. Inside this beautiful box, we have a bunch of QR codes where each QR code is linked to a picture in the form of a memory. Now, first let me show you a screen recording which shows how to link a picture to a QR code. Open Google Drive and create a new folder inside. Now open this folder and upload all the pictures for which you want to create the QR code. Right click on the picture and click on copy link. Now open Google Chrome and search for create QR code online. Go to the website and paste the drive link URL that we just copied. Now click on save, give any name and the QR code will be downloaded in this name. In the same way, create QR codes for all the pictures you need. Make a collage of all the QR codes so that it will be easy for us to print it out. I will give the website link in the description for you guys to check it out. After taking printout, cut all QR codes individually like this. Take any box or container. I got this box when I purchased a watch. I have just hid the logo of it using some paint. Inside this box, I have kept some artificial rose petals. Now fold the QR codes and put them inside the box. Now let's see how this gift is going to work. Open camera in your phone and scan the QR code. It will show the link. Click on the link and it will take you to the picture. As you can see here, I have added a Polaroid frame and a caption to the picture to make it look like a memory. Instead of camera, you can also use a QR code scanner app. Now to this box, let's add a small tag. So I have cut a small piece of black paper in the shape of a tag. I'm going to write "Open when you miss me" on this tag using a silver marker. Also draw some small hearts on the tag to make it look more cute. Now you can stick this tag to the box using some double-sided tape. Inside the drive folder, you can add access to the mail ID of the person whom you are gifting. That way only you two will have access to all the pictures. The next DIY is a paper rose bouquet. For this, take a square-shaped paper and cut it into a circle. Now start cutting this spirally inwards. If you have any pointed edges like this, make sure to smoothen it out. Now using a toothpick, start folding from the end like this. Now loosen it a little bit and it will look like a cute red rose. Apply a generous amount of glue and stick like this and our rose is ready. Make some 20 to 30 roses depending on how big you want the bouquet to be. Crumble a sheet of paper and shape it with your hand into the shape of a ball. Now take a piece of red paper and cover the ball we just made and shape it a little bit more. Take another piece of red paper, fold it like this to form the stand for our bouquet. Apply a generous amount of hot glue and stick the paper ball we made to the stand of the bouquet. Start sticking the roses one by one to the bouquet. I am using glue gun here, but you can use any glue you want. This is how the bouquet looks after we have added all the roses. I think it looks very pretty. Now let's make a small bow to give the bouquet a finishing look. For the bow, take a strip of golden glitter paper and fold the ends diagonally like this. Fold one end inwards like this. Then fold the other end inwards like this. Now bring the middle of the strip on top of it and our bow is ready. Secure the bow using some hot glue and then stick it to the bouquet as well. Cut the ends of the bow like this to give it more of a bow look. And our bouquet is ready. For the next DIY, we need a transparent container like this. We also need some beads. I have taken red beads which are in the shape of a heart. You can go for any beads you want. Now let's stick these beads one by one to the container using hot glue. That is the last bead and voila, our work is done. This looks so beautiful and gives us Valentine's Day vibes. You can use it as a pen holder and also as a lampshade at night. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications. All my social media links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. See you next time. Bye.